Okay, we're here at the farm and it's harvest season.
It's harvest time.
Welcome back to our vlog. This is a different we are in Pag-asa, Ubay, Bohol. That's where our farm located. Yeah, this is a rice farm. This is a 1.5 hectares rice farm, and we actually have 2 ponds. The one that's over there, and and up there. So we have that little kobo. So looks like the rice is pretty healthy. This is the first time we come down here because we're so busy building our house, and I feel bad for my brother-in-law. He's the one who's running the show here. So here's might want me to take a picture for that's them carrying the rice. I just bring them some snacks because, like I said, we're busy. I usually have some lunch for them the way I did the last time, but so this time we're just scrambling here. We just come here and bring the sacks of empty sacks for them to use, and we just go back, head to the site for because we have a kugun people that's gonna be delivering the rest of the kugun, and I still have to pick up the amakan over at the mountain. There's still a lot of things to do, so we'll just do this thing. It's yeah, the rice looks so it's really up to here. There's some portion that they didn't plant because of the water issue, but the rest of it has been planted, so that's good. So this is the way they do it. They put the rice and then somebody will pick them up. I think I did a video on this last time, but you know, I'm just refreshing everything. So it's up to there. There's the girls that's doing the harvest. Sorry, I'm walking. And these guys are picking it up and carry it. That's how they harvest. I think I show. Got some. Ay, tubigan lagi na siya, no? Mo ding gibutang nila sa kuan kilid. Magbusad dito. So this is how they do it. Close up now. Hello. Hoy! Lili, ana mo lagi kadaan ni apel.
Hala, oy, asam na ko apel.
Asa man ganang puyo?
Ang mabaran.
Mabawaran di pagka di ay. Mabawaran di ka.
Hala, oy, sa kay bawi.
Naunsa ba di ay?
Mabawaran tong nag-uban.
Maadyo. Kay naapil ka na ni kuan. Apil kas grupo. Parang ginapon. Mao ba di ay? Karon pa man ko nimo kahinom. Karon na kanang apil ang ilang grupo. Karon pa pod. Mao di ay. Magpila ka to kaluwang matam ni Roldan dadto ha.
Napa di panguna nang layo ana?
Napa? Wa man ni daw kan kay gahi manggod bago panggibasak ba? Nga but mang unom siguro na kaluwang. Those are the area that we didn't plant it yet. So that's how they do it. Ang pungko naman itong sa katao na pinaglingkod naman si Jess.
Puro man.
So, naglingkod na si Pilapil.
Ala, oy, perting inita ko noon.
Maulag eh. Mga itong balikon kay
Daon ta kag payong.
kuan na. Payong-payong puta mura tagsi kuan. Mura tagsi doon yung pipay. Haus atong balikon daglit. Aw, magkanang na eh. Hapit naman di po daanin na. Dali naman di kay pikas daanin naman lang no di ay. Daghan man day mo. Maulag eh. Nasa ko dari ang kuhaan sa video ring. Here comes the guys. That's wow, kay mo balik na pud lagi mi. Oh. You know. This is picking up the rice here. And this how to do it and put it in the sack. And they carry it over there. Gonna show you the trash. I know that's not the treasure. It's the one that they separate the rice from the stalk. Mike is there waiting. He was already sitting on the on the rice. It's beside the rice. What happened at this one? They started this one and just move. How are you doing? Everything okay? What's your name? Are you coming to see somebody here? Just teasing Mike. He's always happy whenever he sees his rice field doing good. I'm gonna show them the pond. So that's one of the pond, and the other one is on the other side. The water of this one is from the spring. It has its own spring, and those trees there, we planted that before, like 8 years ago. And I'll show you here. So those are the guys that carry them. I feel bad for Roldan. I wonder who's helping him there. Let me show us our face here. Kisay nagbantay dito dan. Ow. So this is the end of our farm here. So all of those, there's about 1.5 hectares.